my channel. This video is gonna be a Melt Cosmetics, the Sweet Bundle unboxing. Melt Cosmetics is currently having these two bundles. One is the Sweet Bundle and one is a Bold Bundle. They are $50, retailing for $50 with the value over $200. I got sucked in. If you guys are interested to see if this box is worth it or not, then please keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Now let's go ahead and see what's in here. Melt Cosmetics, like I said, $50 bundle. The value is over $200. And then if you sign up for their emails or their text, you get, I think it was 10% off, which I did. So I was able to pick up the box for $45, but then with shipping and taxes, it ended up being $54 overall. It's not a bad thing. I just hope that whatever's in here I can actually use, and I hope that it's actually worth it. So let's see. Like I said, I picked up the Sweet Bundle. I was shocked at how quickly it arrived to me. I ordered 2 nights ago. It arrived today, so I went ahead and kind of, okay, let's film it and see what's in here. Feels like quite a bit of stuff in here. The box, their usual box. It's got the lips in it. And let's see what's in here. Okay, so everything is bubble wrapped in here. Oh, I'm so excited. I'll let you know what the products, ooh, I already see some products. I will let you know what the products are and the value of each of them. And then I'll have in the description box the value of the box. And I'll let you know whether it was worth it or not. But from what I'm seeing, I think it's going to be worth it. Quite a few products in here, so that's a lot of products for $50. Okay, I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow palette. This is the Bad Side Zodiac, and this is the Air, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius eyeshadow palette. I have no idea what this one looks like. You know, they had 4. They had the fire, the air. This is for all the air signs. Okay, I hope it's purples, like wearable purples. Ooh, that's pretty. Definitely wearable colors. Nothing too crazy, nothing too bold where I wouldn't be able to use it. These are really pretty colors. Got the neutrals down here, and then we got some purples, and it looks like a lilac shifting color. Let's watch it. Let's see. Ooh, that is a pretty color. So it's got a lilac shifting color. I do not know what the retail value, oh my, okay. That one per apricot shade had a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. Let's try it. Let's try that purple shade. I do like the Melt Cosmetics eyeshadow formula. I have a couple of their eyeshadow palettes, so there it is. First thing, I'm happy with it. I guess we can look up the values real quick. This is the Air eyeshadow palette. These were available at Sephora. I wonder if they still are or not. Let's take a look. Okay, so these eyeshadow palettes are $38. Oh, I almost dropped it all out. The box wasn't closed. They retail for $38 each on the Sephora website, and they do have 4 of them. Air, earth, water, and fire for all the different zodiac signs. Next up, what is this? This is Melt Cosmetics Gold Ore Digital Dust Highlighter. Ooh, yeah, believe it or not, I have not used their highlighters. I haven't tried their highlighters. Gold Ore, okay. I was expecting something pretty gold. It's not too bad. I do want to look up the value of the Gold Ore highlighter. Highlighters, where are they? Not blush lighter. Okay, so their highlighters are $39 each. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one. This is, like I said, the shade Gold Ore. I love the embossment on the highlighters. I have been wearing my makeup all day, so if it looks funky, I do apologize. That is such a pretty highlighter. So already with the 2 products, I feel like I got my money's worth. I'm happy to have a highlighter from Melt Cosmetics. I've had one on my wish list for quite some time, and I just never ordered it. So trying it, I'm pretty excited for that. Next up, looks like there's a lipstick. This is Melt Nudes, okay? And this is in the shade Hurrah. This is the Ultra Matte Lipstick. Looking. Wonder if this is a full size. Looks like it's a tiny one. Oh, it looks like actually a full size. Ooh, it's really light, very light nude. Oh, It's a little bit on the pink side, so it's a pinky nude. That's actually, it smells so yummy. That looks really pretty. I think I could wear that. There it is. That looks really beautiful. Let's go ahead and take a look at the price of these lipsticks. Maybe they're not on Sephora's website. I'm gonna have to look. Oh no, they are. They are $22 each. So, yay. Are we doing math? I'll keep the tally in the description box. We have a Melt Ultra Matte Gel Liner, and this is in the shade Onyx, a classic black eyeliner. I haven't used a potted eyeliner like this in so long. Actually, I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward to dipping my toes in black eyeliners like potted like this. And this one, this eyeliner is $22. Yeah, and it looks like they only have it in 2 shades. Okay, next up, powder blush light. This is in the shade Nevermore. Ooh. I have tried their blushes before. I've tried one of their powder blushes and I've tried their cream blush. I've never tried the blush lights. It's actually not as highlighty as I thought it would be. I thought it was gonna be like super highlighty. It's a very pinky neutral shade. Like they did the theme sweet pretty well, I would say. There it is. There's the blush. Right there. Looks good. Looks like it's a wearable blush. And the blush lights are $22 each. Okay, there's more goodies. We've got a Supernatural Lash. This is gonna be a mascara. Beyond Natural Thickness Ultra Black Mascara. I didn't even know that they had mascaras, to be honest. The mascara, is it at Sephora? Let's see. Supernatural Lash Mascara, $24. That's pretty cool. I'm excited to give it a shot. I wonder what the reviews say about it. It looks like it has a kind of an hourglass shape brush. So we'll see how that's gonna be. I'm not gonna open it. I do have quite a few mascaras currently open. We have a brow product. This is the Max Hold Clear Brow Gel. Pretty cool. I'm glad that it's clear. It's not colored. For someone who does not have all of these products from Melt Cosmetics, I'm pretty happy to get to try them for $50. I think that's a pretty good deal. Does not look like this one is available at Sephora, so I'll have the price of it in the description box or on the screen. And then the last product in here is a matte bronzer. I've been wanting to try their bronzers for such a long time. What shade did we get? Long Beach. Long Beach? Is that a good shade? Is that a too deep shade? What kind of shade is it? Let's open this baby up. Oh, I'm so happy with this guy. It looks a little bit on the deeper side. It looks a little bit more warm tone, kind of red, a little bit more than I would have picked for myself. But let's take a look at what are their shades. Long Beach is for deep skin tone. Okay, well, it would have been nice to get some for medium skin tone. But this retails for $39. I do want to go ahead and swatch it. Formula feels pretty nice, but I think this is just going to be way too deep for me personally. Oh yeah, that's very, very deep. Does it make sense considering we got the blush such a lighter shade, the highlight such a lighter shade? I wish this was in the lighter shade, like it was either the light or the medium. That would have been better than getting a deep shade. I don't know how working with it, like if I use a little bit, would it be like, would I be able to buff it up a little so it's not so intense? But overall, I would say I'm pretty happy with this box. I paid $45, not counting taxes and shipping, and I got an eyeshadow palette, a blush, a highlighter, a lipstick, a liquid liner or a gel liner, mascara, a brow gel. Like, I got everything I would need for a full face. I'm pretty happy with all the products I received. I feel like the only thing that I probably won't get as much use out of would be the bronzer. But again, if you're on a medium to deep dark skin tone, this might work for you. But then maybe the blush and the highlight wouldn't. Doesn't make any sense that they put this dark of a bronzer with such lighter shades. But hey, it is what it is. It's a mystery box. We get what we get, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful if you have been considering picking up the Melt Cosmetic bundles, whether the sweet or the bold. Maybe now I'm considering picking up the bold bundle. I feel like, well, with the bold bundle, I feel like the only difference would be maybe a more bold lipstick and a more bold eyeshadow palette, but I don't know what kind of difference it would be between the bold and the sweet. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!